Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to break down a bot that we've already shared on Telegram a while back. It's called the ByBit CoinSweeper Bot. Since it's linked to ByBit, it's a super powerful bot that everyone should try out. However, the challenge with this bot is that the game it features is a bit tricky, and not a lot of people know how to play it. That's why in today's video, I'll be explaining the game step by step. But before we dive into the explanation, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to support us. Your engagement helps our content reach more people. Also, be sure to join our Telegram group for the latest updates, even before they hit YouTube. Plus, we've launched a chat group where I personally hang out and respond to your questions, so I'd love to see you there. Now let's jump into the ByBit CoinSweeper game. Once you open the bot, you'll see a screen like this with the word ByBit at the bottom since it's directly tied to the ByBit platform. First, click on Play, and it'll take you through a tutorial teaching you how to play. You'll press Next and then Start Game, followed by Play Now. Before we play, let me explain the options below on the right side. The first option is the Invite section, where you get 4,000 points for each friend you invite, but only for the first 5 friends. After that, I'm not sure if it still counts, but based on my experience, it seems to be capped at 5. Next to that is the Tasks section. Here, you'll find the bot's missions. The first task is to input your ByBit UID, which you can find under your name in the ByBit settings. The rest of the tasks are pretty easy, like joining their 3 official groups. Make sure you've completed them so you get your points. As for the bag icon, nobody really knows what it's for yet. I've completed the game several times and it still shows 0. It probably has a purpose that we'll find out later. The leaderboard is also there, but we don't really need to pay attention to that. Now let's focus on the game itself, the sweep section. You'll start by clicking anywhere on the screen. Let's say, for example, in the middle. You'll see a yellow circle with the number 1 and a green circle with the number 2. The number 1 means there's a bomb in one of the corners next to that square. So let's focus on this part step by step. If we look at the number 1 on the left side, we know there's a bomb nearby, likely here because the other spots are empty. We'll mark it, and for this square, we know it's safe since we've already found the bomb for this one. We'll open it. As you go through the game, you'll need to carefully mark where the bombs are and open the safe spaces, just like Minesweeper. For example, if a square shows a number 3, that means there are 3 bombs around it. We've already identified 2, so the third one must be here, and so on. Continue playing like this, making sure to mark all the bombs correctly. The game might seem tricky at first, but once you understand the strategy, it's quite fun. And that's pretty much the entire game. I hope this explanation helps, and you enjoy playing the ByBit CoinSweeper Bot. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to join the Telegram group to get the daily code and stay updated. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.